What a mess. Clean up your cords. What's up, boys and girls? We are back with another project video. That's right. We got us a trailer to work on. This is going to be a square drop, teardrop, overland style camper when it's all said and done. And I know what you're saying. I know what you're thinking. Dustin, didn't you just start a project with a cargo trailer that you haven't finished? Yes, I did. But I figured out that I used that way more for work and other stuff to just dedicate it to a camper or, you know, something to haul my kayaks in. So put that on the back burner, set it to the wayside, and we're going to cut off, grind, sandblast, woolly booger, and repaint. And that will be the starting point for our square drop camper. Safety first. Or third, depending on how big a hurry you're in. It's up to you. Oh.
A few moments later.
And that is a pretty good stopping point, I think. I got all the frame cut off that I wanted cut off. Anybody want some scrap metal? Except for this big center beam that used to be a motorcycle rack. I gotta grind it off tomorrow, and then I'll sandblast and start painting, I guess, this weekend. Good start. Project time. Sometimes you got to bring out the educator. But this has been a grande pain in the ass. Whew. Victory. No more. Now I just got to clean up some of these shitty welds. I'll be ready to paint. All right, I think I'm at a pretty good stopping point. We got got everything cut off of it that I didn't want on it, right down to the fair frame. Cleaned up a lot of shoddy welds and just gave it a couple coats of the rust stop paint, and I'll do another coat of regular paint later, but some of the metal is pitted pretty bad, and you know, you can only do so much with it, so I woolly boogered it and grinded it down as best I could, and then I mean, it's still a pretty solid piece of metal, so I'm not that worried about it. So yeah, that's the end of part one. I'll stay tuned, and we'll get some floors and walls built here soon. So yeah, check it out.